Hi friends, we are very happy that you are today with us, and right now we will show you how to turn on and also disable notifications, post notifications and other alerts from the selected user on Instagram application. So if this topic is interesting, let's go to the watching. The first step I need to do is just to open our Insta. So right now we are on the profile page, so let's choose some account, some user as an example. I will do it with our official account, HardReset.Info. And right now I will show you, as I said, how to turn on and turn off notifications for posts, stories, etc. All content just of this selected user. So the first step we need to do is to follow back, because we need to become a follower for the selected account to manage and enable this notification feature. Let's refresh our selected user's account, and we have this appeared bell icon. After clicking on it, after pressing it one time, we can smoothly add notifications for posts, stories, reels, videos and lives, which is really very convenient, because if you are interested in this content if you are interested in the content of the selected account, of the selected profile, it's a really good way to always stay up to date. Remember that if you have disabled notification feature for the Instagram in the phone settings, which we have definitely on our phone, you need to turn off this feature in the phone customizations. What does it mean? As an example, if we want to turn on the notification for posts, let's tap on the switch opposite. We will have an alert, the popped up window that we need to manage the main settings for Instagram. Let's tap on the turn on feature. Right now we are on the Instagram settings in the main phone settings. Of course we have an iPhone, but you will have the same settings on Android, so you just need to use notification for the selected app and pick on the switch opposite them to enable received to allow notifications from this app. So from now on you will receive messages from the Instagram, and also you are disabled, for example, these messages on lock screen and control these notification settings on the period customizations list here. But I will go back to the Instagram, because as you can check, we have switched on notification for post. Later I am able to turn off the same alerts for another options for stories, etc. And let's click on some free space at the top to save changes. Later we will have the check mark here, which means that the notifications are activated. To disable them, let's pick on the bell icon again and just tap on the toggle opposite the needful option. For example, I will save only for stories such notifications. Also, if you will you can control lives notifications, for example, to get only some notification, turn off at all them, or get all of the possible lives video notifications from this account. It's really very convenient, and I hope that this tutorial was useful and interesting. Guys, don't forget to like it below if it was, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we will show you even more cool tricks with Instagram and other apps. And have a nice day. Goodbye.